In this video, I'll show you how to trim a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project. Then select the video you want to edit from your gallery or media folder. After choosing the video, tap Add to bring it into the editing timeline. Once the video appears on the timeline, tap on the clip to select it. You will see the video highlighted and editing options will appear at the bottom of the screen. To trim the beginning of the video, move the playhead to where you want the video to start. Then drag the left edge of the video clip toward that point. Everything before that section will be removed from the final video. To trim the end of the video, drag the right edge of the clip inward until it reaches the point where you want the video to stop. This is useful if your video has extra footage at the beginning or end that you do not want to keep. You can also use the split tool for more precise editing. Move the playhead to the part where you want to cut the video, then tap Split. After splitting the clip, select the part you do not need and tap Delete. After trimming, press the play button and watch the video from the beginning. Make sure the timing feels right and that you did not remove any important part by accident. If you want to adjust the trim again, just tap the clip and drag the edges until the video starts and ends exactly where you want. Once you are happy with the result, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the trimmed video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.